tell you about a new project brought to you by Google Munch. It's in order for smart ideas. And it's able to turn an orange into anything you want. I'm going to make a cake right now, watch. Okay. You just take off the easy open cap, spray the orange.
Yeah, and then what?
And then put it in the oven. Wait 10 minutes on high.
Let's
10 minutes.
Let's see how that orange is doing.
And here's your cake.
Oh my god, it even wraps it for you. That's amazing.
I know it's amazing. How amazing is it?
How did you come up with that? Let's look at this cake. See, look. It says that there is chocolate on the inside. That's amazing. I'm gonna buy your product. I'm gonna eat this right now.
Call 999999999999999999999
5
to order this amazing spray con
that the label is not being shown for copyright reasons. What?
Nothing.
Order now.